when I got it, I was just like,
so happy.
Oh, okay, I have one. Oddly enough, it's a negative. When I got kicked out of school after like my first year in college.
Your defining
That's
moment?
your defining
No,
moment?
because that's when I knew
You
who I
woke up?
wanted to be. Like that I just
Out of
didn't
school
want to
youth.
like...
Alam mo yung seryoso yung usapan natin.
Alam mo yun?
Thanks, guys.
Out of school
Yeah,
youth.
that's who I wanted to be.
Right,
OSY.
No, because like, okay,
yeah, oh my
if
gosh.
I really think about it, like, if I had just gone through that path...
Hindi,
and,
pero
like,
why don't you make
Yeah.
kasi you were saying, when you were kicked out, that's when it led you to somewhere else.
Yeah, why don't you choose the one that
Why don't you
when
where
you were
it
there
led
na?
you?
Yeah.
As your defining
Yeah,
moment,
yeah.
more than the
being kicked out.
No, kasi that was more of a... Well, the being kicked out was a...
parang turning point.
Oh, it was a turning point.
I see.
It was my decisions that led me there. You know what I mean? Like, whereas, kunwari, I got into RX, it really wasn't my... Like, kumbaga parang I just stumbled onto
Yeah.
the
Just, yeah, okay.
like,
Yeah.
And imagine, like, had I not been kicked out of college in the first year, like, I probably would have gone through that path and, like, I don't know, maybe I would have been, like, in a corporate industry or something, and maybe I wouldn't be as happy as I am. Believe it or not, I'm actually happy where I am. And... like, I discovered so much about myself after.
Yeah.
Because I felt like prior to that, I was just following what everyone else was telling me to do. What, you know, like how, not that I'm saying that it's good to be an out-of-school youth, or not that I'm saying that you should be kicked out or whatever, but like, you kind of, parang, before that, I was just following a certain path that was laid out for me. But when I got kicked out, that's when I started making my own path. Like,
That's
making...
great, Gino. That's great.
Parang hindi mo seryoso pag si Bea.
Si Bea eh. Diba? It's
He's really opening up. This is wonderful. It's always good to talk about your feelings.
No, but honestly, like, if you think about it, like, I wouldn't be where I am now had that not happened.
I had my hand to my heart while he was talking.
It's so weird.
Ako,
No, but
I have a
it's
defining
true.
moment, pero I
Okay.
think ano na lang, parang I think I choose to keep it private na lang.
I am
Wait, my question is, was your defining moment in the country? Or?
No.
That's a different defining
That's a
moment.
No,
different
even like
defining
work defining moment.
moment. Work defining moment, siguro ano, when Del and I launched our CD in Hard Rock.
Oh.
We actually had the CD. We launched it in Hard Rock. And the owner,
Okay.
sabi nung one of the employees from Hard Rock, in ano pa yat to like in
Glorieta.
In Glorieta, yeah.
The owner goes, when they saw the lines outside, they were like, oh, you didn't tell me we had parang a foreign artist. Kasi ganun, doon lang daw nagkakapila ng ganun. And I was like, are you crazy? Tapos like,
Wait,
it was one of
the...
the...
like...
A launch lang.
No,
And
and
there
the
was
CD, like, top 10?
Yeah,
No,
there's a
it was
little
song.
bit of
Like, they had
that.
songs.
They had
You know,
songs?
we have his actual song.
You have a
on the
song?
Riot?
Chico, I didn't know you had a
No.
song.
We have to play it tomorrow.
No.
I'm gonna let you listen
Chico, I
to
didn't
it.
know you had a song. So the CD
Yeah.
had songs. It was an album. Like,
Well, the first one, we had one song lang.
okay,
Now,
and then the rest
second
was like
CD,
a the volume of... Oh my gosh, yeah, because there used to be a thing before, like,
yeah.
CDs.
And
oh.
then second album, we had more songs.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, yeah.
He has
A song.
Yes.
Chico, I need to hear it.
He's a recording artist. Did you
Yeah.
not know this?
I am, hello.
Did you not know this?
And the top adult slambo questions comes from Joti.
Joti says,
Ito yung nakakatawa. Di ba so many,
Ay, sino niya?
lahat ng questions very creative, very ano. Kay Joti, super simple. Meron lang addendum.
no.
Adult slambo questions. Joti says, age, ...